All right, welcome back on your Wednesday morning. Yesterday, awesome.
Yeah, pretty sweet, huh?
I'm so looking forward to today.
I know.
I feel so lucky to have 2 afternoons that are going to be strung together.
You just better not hear about the heat from anyone today.
I started to hear about that last week when we had that stretch, and I looked, I don't want to say it was my parents and throw them under the bus, but I'm like, no. Like, we're not complaining about the heat right now.
Because we may not get it back. We may not get, heat like this, like true summer weather like this for, another week or something like that.
Right, so we're good.
So you gotta just go with it. Go with the flow. What's interesting is that it hasn't hit 90 in Portland yet. The warmest temperature of the year was way back in May 28th. Hit 89 in Portland. Today it's going to be really close. I think we're coming up a little bit short though. Probably a high of 88 or 89 again. Bangor, we've hit 90 a few times this year. The hottest temperature of the year was back on June 1st, 93. But late last week, we hit 90 a couple of days in a row. I believe it was 91 and 92 last probably Thursday and Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday, right after the 4th. Anyway, no rain out there this morning. Kind of nice to say and see. Just some patchy fog as well, so we aren't socked in everywhere either. Looks like a lot of us are going to see a sunrise. So we saw a sunset, we saw stars last night, and we're going to see a sunrise. That's trifecta, and that's happened rarely this year. Rarely. So sad. There are the temperatures right now, mid to upper 60s. Dew points are pretty close to that as well, so it's very muggy. We're in between this system and the next one, so a little bubble of high pressure means lots of sunshine today. As this next front comes in this afternoon, an isolated shower or storm can't be ruled out. But I don't want to stress that. I want to stress the sunshine part of it, because we don't get much of that. We get plenty of showers and storms, and I don't want to focus on those. Mainly clear, warm, stuffy this morning, just patchy fog. So no big commuting concerns for the first time in a long time. Hot sunshine for the middle of the day. Take breaks if you can. Temperatures will be rising through the 80s, and there'll be high humidity out there too. As we roll through the afternoon, the sun's going to get hazy and a little filtered by some high clouds and even some wildfire smoke up there too. And a small chance for a brief pop-up storm. You can see a few little blips of green around, so just can't rule it out, but it's not going to be common at all. And feels like temperatures will top 90. It'll get close to 90, the actual temp on the thermometer, in a lot of towns like Calais and Lewiston and Portland, Freiburg as well. Sanford should be the warm spot today at 90 degrees, and then over to the Merrimack Valley of New Hampshire. A little less hot up in the mountains and far north, with temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. Tomorrow still looks good. We're still holding on, trying to keep that dry streak going. Most showers should hold off until tomorrow night. But then after that, the flow once again comes up from the south. We get a front to move in, and that's going to kick off numerous showers and downpours beginning Thursday night into Friday. And it looks like this pattern, even though the front gets off the coast, it probably reforms and backs up, allowing that tropical air to stay with us through the weekend and beyond, which means more showers and downpour risks each day with limited sunshine and temperatures that'll be a little below average, upper 70s for the most part. Back to that, pattern we've been in for so long. Marine forecast seas 2 to 3, southwest wind 5 to 10. So here's the 7-day. Today we got sunshine. It's hot, it's humid, high temperatures 85 to 90. Tomorrow, sun in the morning gives way to clouds in the afternoon. High temperatures still around 80. And then on Friday, we've got showers and storms in the forecast beginning in the afternoon. Saturday morning they'll be around. Sunday afternoon they'll be around. Monday morning they'll be around. And probably another risk on Tuesday too. It doesn't mean that any of those days are washouts, although there could be lengthy stretches where we're stuck in the murk again, and there are some heavy downpours around, and you got to find some indoor plans and things like that. But there will also be a few breaks of sunshine on those days too, especially over the weekend a little bit.
Yeah,
so,
and relatively speaking, we're just taking those days as good days. Yeah.
There you go. So optimistic, Hannah.
Thank you. Someone's got to be.
I know, right?
Thanks, Todd.